Using Apple Pay is actually very simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Open your wallet app, tap the plus icon, add your debit or credit card. Step 2. Verify the card via bank SMS/OTP. This step is necessary. Without verification, Apple Pay won't work. Step 3. To make a payment, double-press the side button, authenticate with Face ID/Touch ID, and hold your iPhone near a contactless reader. That's the entire process. Now let's go deeper and fix every issue that stops Apple Pay from working. What is Apple Pay? Apple Pay is a smart, secure, contactless payment system built into your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac. It uses NFC technology, so you don't swipe your card or enter a PIN. You simply tap your phone, authenticate, and the payment completes instantly. It's faster, safer, and more convenient than carrying physical cards. Apple Pay requirements. To use Apple Pay, you must have iPhone 6 or newer, latest iOS installed, a bank card that supports Apple Pay, a region where Apple Pay is available, a verified Apple ID. If Apple Pay isn't supported in your region, the wallet app will not allow you to add a card. How to add a card to Apple Pay step by step. Let's set it up properly. Step 1. Open the wallet app. Step 2. Tap the plus add card option. Step 3. Scan the card using your camera or enter details manually. Step 4. Confirm card details. Step 5. Verify the card through your bank. SOS, OTP, bank app, email, phone call. Step 6. Once verified, your card is added successfully. Now your Apple Pay is ready for use. How to pay using Apple Pay. iPhone with Face ID. Double press side button. Look at your phone for Face ID. Hold near payment terminal. Done. iPhone with Touch ID. Hold your finger on Touch ID. Bring phone near terminal. Apple Watch. Double press side button. Bring watch close to the reader. That's all you need to make secure payments anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Where can you use Apple Pay? You can use Apple Pay at any NFC-enabled terminal, Apple Store, grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, inside apps like Uber, Airbnb, region-based, websites using Safari. If you see the contactless logo, Apple Pay will work there. Common issues plus fixes. Most important part. Issue 1. Card not adding. Possible reasons. Apple Pay not available in your region. Your bank doesn't support Apple Pay. You are using outdated iOS. Incorrect Apple ID region. Issue 2. Verification failed. Fixes. Check your internet connection. Resend the OTP. Make sure your bank has enabled Apple Pay services. Change Apple ID region to a supported one. Contact your bank for manual verification. Issue 3. Apple Pay not working at terminal. Fixes. The payment machine is outdated. Your iPhone case is interfering. NFC reader is turned off. Try another terminal. These solutions fix 90% of Apple Pay problems. How to contact Apple support. To get official help. Method 1. Apple Support app. Download Apple Support, search Apple Pay, start live chat. Method 2. Apple website. Visit support, apple.com Apple Pay. Method 3. Call support. Each country has an Apple helpline specifically for payment issues. And that's everything you need to know about using Apple Pay. I covered setup, adding cards, payment steps, problems, and how to get Apple support. If you want videos on iPhone hidden features, Apple ID problems, or iOS tricks, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.